The Roblox niche is absolutely blowing up on YouTube right now. Take a look at this channel. It has gained more than 1.7 million subscribers just by posting this exact style of Roblox cartoon content. And most of his videos are sitting at millions of views. I will not waste your time. Here is how you can create exactly these for completely free right now. All you need is this master prompt. You will find its link in description. Copy the whole prompt and paste it directly in ChatGPT. Hit enter. Then GPT will ask you to choose your storyboard. I am going with Roblox funny story. So I will type 2. Within seconds, ChatGPT will produce fully written video generation prompts covering every scene of your video, all structured and completely ready to use. Copy scene 1 prompt and head straight over to Google Flow AI. Select the video mode and select the Omni Flash as your video model. Paste the prompt in the prompt box and hit enter. In just a few seconds, your very first scene will appear in front of you. Now to generate your second scene, come directly at the end of your first video and save the last frame by clicking the Save Frame option. Come to that saved frame, click on 3 dots and choose Animate. Copy the second scene prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in. Hit enter, and your second scene will be ready within seconds. Once your all scenes are ready, save all of them. Now open your favorite editing software, import all the clips, arrange all of them in correct order, add some cuts and transitions and hit export, and your viral Roblox video is completely finished and ready to post. Now let's watch the full result together.
Watch this! Haha!
Jake, that's not nice.
Whoa! My coins!
I'm sorry.
Everyone deserves a chance.
Let's share. Yay!
So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you don't miss out on the newest viral niches the moment they drop.